Welcome to an introduction to IOM Cloud. IOM stands for Integrated Operations Management, specifically for service agencies who provide service to clients. In no more than around 3 weeks, IOM quadruples the easy access to information, team accomplishment tracking, team's digital planning, and team productivity by minimizing duplicate data entry and capability to respond to funder queries. We and our claims are backed by multiple agencies which have benefited from IOM. Let's dive in. Here's a table of contents of everything we will look at today. Let's begin with responding to queries and the system reports. We are now in IOM. As you can see, we are presented with an array of demographic-based reports which show gender distribution, location, followed by education profile, age group, language, and country of birth. So these are all things which are viewable within these reports. Next, let's take a look at easy access to data. Okay, now back inside of IOM, we can see a list of clients. Note that this is a searchable database or list. Everything is accessible as you can see. When you open, for example, a client's file, you get access to all of the assessment records, job applications, service plans, basic information, education and employment history, all tasks which are performed, and all notes as well as related to this specific client. Next, we will look at how IOM helps with multiple services which are being provided by multiple funders all in one application. We will also be looking at the multiple services-based team accomplishments board, which is a great tool to visualize the team's accomplishment. Now, in the same client section, if you look at the menu to the right, we have services pipeline. As you can see, in this screen we have various tabs. These tabs are representing the various services an agency may offer, such as employment services, training services, youth services, unassisted services, or any other services you may add to the pipeline. Under that, we have this matrix. This matrix is showing you the name of the owner or the person giving service to the client. We are given contact information as well. We can also see the type of service being provided, status of the service, and last, status update. We can also see the job application list, comments, and the outcome of the service. So this matrix gives you a bird's eye view of the accomplishments and updates of your time. Notice that you can also filter this matrix through the drop-down menu up here. For example, I will select Brandy, and as you can see, it has given me all of the relevant information in respect to the values I just inputted, which in this case is Brandy. Finally, we're going to take a look at teams coordinating and collaborating. Take a look at this example. Let's say that in an organization, a list of jobs are being published, which is within the agency, where different employer-related jobs are being published. As soon as a job is published, the stakeholders involved receive a notification in the form of an email, which provides basic information about the job posting, as you can see. Very similarly, when you're applying for a job, you search for a client, press the apply button, and apply for a certain job. What you see next is that who are the other clients who have also applied for this job. As soon as this application is submitted, the job developer or concerned individual receives another email notification which shows the client name, who submitted the application, etc. You can of course click the link to see the client profile right away, and then you can coordinate with your team members through a module called My Tasks, where you can assign and schedule tasks. How about we take a look at how that works? Inside of IOM, under the My Tasks section, on the right side of the application, you can see all tasks, tasks for me, and also tasks that have been assigned to other team members called delegated. In this matrix, I can clearly see the task title, start date, assignment, notes, etc. all at once. In fact, the notes section is a fairly effective form of communication. For example, the creator may enter a certain note, and the team member can write something in response to that note. I can also filter through the matrix easily with task title, status, start date, and all of the various available options. Note that these matrices and all of the information are very easily trackable and convenient to deal with. If you have any questions or inquiries, please email us at contact@geo-wiz.com.